Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Biggest volume this has had in a long time. And yeah, the chart's looking very, very sketchy right now. Things were looking decent. I mean, sure, there was that pullback, but then, the price for the most part was able to start to consolidate out right around that 635 mark, give or take a little bit. But, the price got right around there, held strong, bounced, pulled back, held strong a little bit. And then all of a sudden, that candle right there occurred where it broke down below there and really flushed to the downside pretty much in a very intense type of way. So I'm not saying that's the end of the story or the nail in the coffin, but definitely changed the landscape of the chart quite a bit, and also what brings about the first key level to watch going forward. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 635 going to be that near-term level of resistance going forward. If the price does all of a sudden snap back up and break through that area, next level of resistance after that would be up around 725. So again, 635 and 725, two of the near-term levels of resistance. Taking a step back now and just looking at this from the bigger picture of things, which you pretty much have to do given where the price, eventually broke down to. It's all about that purple line going forward now, which is the 50-period simple moving average, currently valued at 443. But remember, it is a moving average. So as a trader, you're going to have to be proactive because this line will continue to move higher and higher, and therefore that value is going to change. So right now, 443, but as the week continues to play out, that value will change. But that's really the next key level. If that level doesn't hold up, then at that point, you're looking at a potential gap close, which is all the way down there at the $4 mark. And I'm pretty sure not many people want to see it go back down to the $4 mark, but we'll see what happens with it. But unfortunately, the late afternoon here, things got pretty sloppy, but we'll see if the bulls can try to turn things around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.